Hey Pumpkin, are you ready? Yes, sir. Are you two ready, Corn? Absolutely. I'm exited. Wait. Someone is here as well. Who is it? Wait, I think I recognize the bumper. Just tell me, who is it already? Yeah, for real. It's the ATR, or Aero Tornado Radar. Wait, seriously? The ATR IS behind us? Yeah, I guess. I'll go to him real quick. Hey, dragon fruit. Yes, Melon. What a cool truck you have. Yeah, my truck is cool, I guess. How much wind speed, by the way? Hello. Sorry. It was 168 miles per hour F3. Can you guys handle it? It's a very strong tornado. Of course. Our Aero 1 can handle 197 miles per hour. Okay. The tornado is coming towards this place. Good luck. Bye. We got to prepare. Deploying. Okay. It's here, hold on. Guys. Oh my god, it's so strong. I can feel the pressure. Debris. It almost lifted. Winds decreasing, we have a chance. That was close. Insanely close. Very deadly. God, so tight. I could barely move in here. Shut up, dude, stop complaining. Guys, stop fighting. Let's just go. Episode 2 coming soon. Subscribe.